In this video, I am going to talk about Grabovoi codes. As you already know, the number has high influence on us. The power of number is always everywhere. You see, everything is calculated in terms of number, whether it is height, weight, whether it is your body mass index, the blood cells, and everything is in number. So number has high influence, right? So here is the list of common Grabovoi codes. For example, 318,798 is a Grabovoi code used for financial abundance. Same goes for 528,432,111. It is used as a love code. Same goes for 520,808,741. It is for financial abundance. The Grabovoi weight loss code is 4812412. Unexpected money Grabovoi code is 5207418. Grabovoi code for body self-healing is 9187948181. Grabovoi love code is 88841212890181. 1011050010 is a Grabovoi code for peace. 8997447 is Grabovoi code for attracting your crush. 3856794 is a Grabovoi code for romantic love. Steady income 92131140. Lottery 4610567. So these are the power of numbers. You have to download or you have to screenshot this and put these Grabovoi codes right around you, and you will see changes in your life. This is so much powerful. For example, if you want to heal the relationship, right, you use Zebu coin, right? On that Zebu coin, it is printed 528432111. It is a love code. It is a healing of relationship. Same goes with financial abundance, and the code is 520808741, which you put on pyrite, green aventurine, or Zebu coin, and that will attract a lot of money because the power of numbers. So we are always surrounded by numbers. I already talked previously in videos the power of numbers. It has a high influence on us. So we have to involve these numbers in our daily life to attract what we want, to change the frequency and vibration of us. Because on whatever frequency and vibration we attract that. Suppose we are on the frequency of lack, then we will attract that only. But if we are on the frequency of abundance, right, then that will be attracted to us. So it is helping you to change the frequency and elevate in the best possible way. I hope that this really helps. So as you can see, the numbers 808520741 are popular energy code or Zebu symbol for combination used for attracting wealth and abundance, healing and problem solving, often found engraved in the crystals like green aventurine, jade, for manifestations in Feng Shui, meditation, and Reiki. This number represents prosperity, intuition, and divine guidance, problem solving to create a powerful focus for financial and spiritual goals. Say sellers of the spiritual tools. The numbers 528432111 are spiritual codes often seen on rose quartz crystal, combining intention for loves, transformation, miracles, and manifestation to attract harmony, abundance, and positive relationship. Use as switch words or Zebu symbols in healing for self-love, emotional balance, and attracting divine blessings. So therefore, these numbers are used to heal relationships. 528432111, and I already made a video regarding Zebu coin and how you can manifest often lot of things in your life by using this kind of thing, right? I hope that this video really helps. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. We talk about motivation, learning, earning, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you then.